Alright, this is a 2014 Ford Fusion. That little bitty freaking amber light in there, your turn signal, this is what you have to do just to get to that damn thing. You got this freaking unibody right in your damn way. I mean, I have hands that are a little big on the big side, but I mean, goddamn. This is what the freaking light's sticking out. You see this thing right here? That little bitty twist knob? That's the freaking light. That is your turn signal. It actually sits in a socket. That plastic piece is a socket that your light actually sits in. And when the light, your headlight assembly is actually in here. And let me see if I can, hold on a second. Just to recap, this is where the headlight assembly where it's supposed to be. I'm not even sure if I can see that. You see it way down there? Right in there. I don't know about you, but I can't get to that damn thing. I had to literally undo the front bumper cover and peel it back just to get that headlight assembly to come far enough forward to get in there. That includes all these guys. You got these little snap pins, which in my opinion, one of your best tools for this thing. These little snap pins is a simple stainless steel fork. That's what I used. They're easy. They pop right up, and you pull them right out. Most of these are snaps. They snap right there, snap there, snap there, snap there. These are actually Torx head screws. These three. There's a snap there. I don't even think I really need to get this far over, but I was getting pretty desperate. And actually there's a cover. This cover right here is actually on there. It's got those little snap heads as well. But you see how that blocks up your any access you got there? Nice and tight. And right here, there's actually a screw on the underside of this fender that's supposed to go through here. But guess what? It wasn't through there. It's in the fender. So I guess it was just my luck that the factory fucked up and didn't put it through the actual hole. But other than that, this actually just snaps in there. See these retainer holes? These snaps. So once you get that loose, all it does is snap open. Oh. Actually, I popped this open too to see what I can see from the bottom. But and know what the kicker is? Once I pulled all this shit apart, pulled that bulb out, it was perfectly fine. I put the damn thing back in and it worked. That's some BS in my opinion. This is why I hate Fords. Signing off.